Hello! Man, this mouse is not called Master for nothing. Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, before we get into it, let me give you a quick backstory. So as some of you might know, for the past year and a half or so, I've been teleworking. And over the past month and a half or so, around midday, my computer started to lag big time. So let me be the first to say that I ain't no genius. However, I do know how to troubleshoot a little bit, so that's what I was doing. Come to find out, I don't think it was my computer that was having issues. I think it was the Bluetooth connectivity to my mouse that was having issues. So in comes the MX Master 3. You could pick this bad boy up for $100. Now before you get it all twisted, this mouse has almost 11,000 reviews with an Amazon's choice of almost 5 stars. This mouse features an ultra-fast mag speed scrolling, comfort shape and intuitive controls, app-specific customization. That's one of the heavy selling points of the Master series. These customized buttons has helped my workflow tremendously. This mouse also features flow cross-computer control. You could seamlessly transfer the cursor, text, and files between Windows and Mac, desktop, and laptop. Works on any surface, even on glass with a dark field 4000 DPI sensor. I don't necessarily know what that means, but I know this mouse is legit. Now, unlike the MX Master 2, which is what I have in my hand right here, this mouse charges over micro USB, whereas the MX Master 3 has finally leveled up to that beast mode of charging via USB Type-C. So I say all that to get to this point. All around the world, say it with me now. You know what time it is. Boxy time. All right, front of the box, we got some branding, of course, MX Master 3. Got a picture of the device, and this is coming to us from Logitech. Left side, it says again, MX Master 3. On the right side, it goes into a little bit more specifications about the quick charging, the Bluetooth capabilities, and what's in the box. On the back here, it goes into a lot more details about this amazing looking and feeling mouse. But all right, let's get it out of the box. All right, so here's gonna be our important safety informational guide, our quick start guide, and our terms and conditions. And we also have this card inside talking about the MX keys. I'm not familiar with this, I'm gonna have to check it out. Here's gonna be our USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable with that Velcro strap, which y'all know I love. Here's gonna be our USB receiver, which I don't know about you guys, but I've lost quite a many of these, so And here is the beaut, the mouse, the Logitech MX Master 3 herself. First thing, this is lighter than the MX Master 2. Not by much, but it is light. It feels lighter. Maybe it's just the design of it. I don't know, but yeah, it feels, let's see. Okay, yeah, it feels better. It feels more ergonomically correct. Underneath we have a sticker for quick and easy setup, but this isn't my first rodeo. So here's a side-by-side comparison, the MX Master 2 and the MX Master 3. Now, you can get the MX Master 2 for I think like 50 or 60 bucks. So it's definitely no slouch, and it's definitely, gone down in price. So if 100 bucks is too much, I would highly recommend to go for the MX Master 2. Here's the left side of each mouse. And then here's the right side. And as you can see, the MX Master 3 has a bigger hump to it than the 2. So it's gonna fit a lot more ergonomically correct in your hand. And then that's gonna be the front of the mouse where you charge the mouse. So Handsome Nation, are you as enamored with Logitech products as I am? If not, let me know down in the comments below. So as a longtime Logitech MX Master mouse connoisseur, I highly
recommend
the MX Master Mouse. It is an investment that will pay you back dividends. But what do you think, Handsome Nation? Whether positive, negative, or indifferent, let me know in the comments down below. So while you're down there, you might as well like this video, share this video, share the content, of course, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified every time I go live or when I post new content. Thank you, and have a good one.